Hello guys, welcome back to your channel DEEPAKSG. So today in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and review of Fastrack Starwars analog watch. So this is the package. Here it's mentioned Starwars, may the force be with you. I have purchased it from Flipkart for 900 rupees. I'll give the link of this product in the video description so that you guys can buy one if you want. So without any delay, let's unbox it. Okay, let's see what all are there. Here it's mentioned keys. Okay, let's keep it to the side and come to the actual watch. So this is a white watch. Let's take it out. Okay, so it actually looks cool. It has got a white and blue strap, as you guys can see, and the dial is very much shiny. So let's see the watch. So it looks good, guys. So now let's open it from this. So guys, now let's open it. Okay, let's keep it to the side, and this is the actual watch. It looks great, guys. This is the best Star watch from Fastrack. There's a plastic wrap over here, so we will have to remove it. Let's remove it, and now it is shining. The dial has got a silvery shiny color, and that is what makes this watch unique. So the dial is superb, guys. It is not white, it has got a silvery shade, and it is very much shiny, as you guys can see. It is shining very much, and it is giving a superb look. I hope you guys can see in the camera. This is how the watch looks. This is a superb watch for the price you are paying. Here it's mentioned Star Wars. Okay, and this is how the dial looks. Okay, so inside it has got a silvery touch, and that is what makes it shiny, and it's good. So actually the dial is very much shining. I don't think it is visible in the camera, but in real life it is a very much shining dial. So that is it about the dial, and this is how it looks. It is looking perfect, and the strap is also great. And in the back side it has got a stainless steel back, and it is a 30-meter water resistant. So this is a very good watch for the youngsters. It will give you a stylish look. This is white in color, so this watch may be preferred by all those who are looking for a white watch. So definitely check this watch. All of those who were looking for a white dial and a white strap watch, you guys can definitely go for this. This is a superb stylish watch which is glowing and shining, as you guys can see. So I'll give the link of this watch in the description below. Do check it, guys, and buy it from the link. It will support our channel a lot. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, and also subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Hope we can see you in our next video. Bye, guys.